Hello friends, welcome to Study with Harshit. Today I am going to share with you complete revision of Management Information System Unit 1, paper code KMBN 208. Information System. Information systems are a set of interconnected elements working together to collect, process, store and distribute information to help coordination, analysis and decision making. A set of things working together as a part of a mechanism or an interconnecting network. Example: computer system. The information system can be defined as a collection of software, hardware, and telecommunication network that people develop and use together, create and distribute useful data, mainly in organizational settings. Components of information system. There are various components of an information system are hardware, software, data, communication systems, people. Importance of information system. Saves time, help in decision making, create new jobs, better customer service, cost reduction. Management Information System MIS. MIS is a system in which defined data are collected, processed and communicated to assist those who are responsible for the use of resources or decision makers. A planned system of collecting, processing and transmitting information data to carry out the function of management. Functions of Management Information System MIS. Collect data, employee, customer, competitors, sales data, accounting, etc. Store data. In store devices like HDD mainframe, data is stored. Process data. Remove data redundancy means duplicacy in data. Present information to managers, tables, chart, graphs, etc. Characteristics of Management Information System MIS. Avoid redundancy in data, flexible, transfer data into information, management oriented, provide relevant information to managers. Need importance of Management Information System. First one, provide information needed for effective decision making. Second, provide information needed to perform different management functions. Third, enhance the productivity. Fourth, effective communication. Components of MIS. The major component of a typical management information system are people. People who use the information system. Data. The data that the information system records. Third, business procedures. Procedures puts in place on how to record, store and analyze data. Means there are three main components: people, data, business procedure. Hardware and software. Hardware, these include servers, workstation, networking equipment, printers, etc. Software, these are the programs used to handle the data. These include programs such as spreadsheet, programs, database software, etc. Information versus data. Information is interpreted data created from organized, structured, and processed data in a particular context. Data is defined as group of non-random symbols in the form of text, images, voice representing quantities, action, and objects. Data can be described as unprocessed fact and figures. Collected data as raw fact cannot help the decision makers. However, data is the raw material that is organized, structured, and interpreted to create useful information system. Implications of information and business. Information processing has transformed our society in numerous ways. From a business perspective, there has been huge shift toward increasing automated business processes and communication. Access to information and capability of information processing has helped in achieving greater efficiency in accounting and other business processes. A complete business information system accomplishes the following functionalities are collection and storage of data, transform these data into business information useful for decision making, provide controls to safeguard data, automate and streamline reporting. 5 main uses of information by business and other organizations. First one, planning. Second, recording. Third, controlling. Fourth, measuring. Fifth, decision making. Now discuss in detail. Planning. At the planning stage, information is the most important ingredient in decision making. Information at planning stage include that of business resources, assets, liabilities, plant and machineries, properties, suppliers, customers, competitors, market and market dynamics, fiscal policy changes of the government, emerging technologies, etc. Recording. Business processing these days involve recording information about each transaction or event. This information collected, stored and updated regularly at the operational level. Controlling. A business need to set up an information filter so that only filtered data is presented to the middle and top management. This ensures efficiency at the operational level and effectiveness at the tactical and strategic level. Measuring. A business measures its performance matrices by collecting and analyzing sales data, cost of manufacturing and profit earned. Decision making. MIS is primarily concerned with managerial decision making, theory of organizational behavior and underlying human behavior in organizational context. Decision-making information include the socio-economic impact of competition, globalization, democratic and the effect of all these factors on an organizational structure. Contemporary approaches to MIS. When an information system is being developed, much importance should be given to the structure of the organization, culture of the organization, etc. But along with these, special attention should also be given to the technical side of MIS, means Management Information System. Various contemporary approaches are socio-technical approach, the behavioral approach, technical approach. Socio-technical approach. The information system are socio-technical systems. They are composed of machines, devices and hard physical technologies. They require substantial social, organizational and intellectual investment to make them work properly. Problems with information system are their solutions are rarely all technical or behavior. A multidisciplinary approach is needed. This approach was finding it hard to survive, but now it is being accepted worldwide and is also being implemented at very large scale. The behavioral approach, based on the impact of the behavior and also on the response of the people in the organization. Motivational feasibility forms a very important and demanding part of such an approach toward MIS development. Technical approaches. Here is the diagram of technical approaches. First one, computer science. Second, sociology. Fourth, third, economics. Fourth, psychology. And fifth one, management science. Technical approach. Computer science. Methods of computation. Theories of computability. Methods of efficient data storage and access. Management science. Models for decision making. Management practices. Operation research. Mathematical techniques for optimizing selected parameter of organizations such as transportation, inventory control, etc. It is the base of the mathematical and the normative models. Physical technology forms the backbone of such an approach. MIS as an instrument for organizational change. MIS act as an agent or a catalyst to bring about organizational change. This is needed to cope up with the changing business environment and the effect of external forces. MIS can deliver facts, data and trending to businesses with lightning speed. Having this information allow companies to react quickly to market changes, regardless of the type, positive or negative, of volatility. MIS as an instrument for the organizational change. The role of the MIS in an organization can be compared to the role of heart in the body. The information is the blood and the MIS is the heart. In the body, the heart plays the role of supplying pure blood to all the elements of the body, including the brain. The heart works faster and supplies more blood when needed. It regulates the control and incoming impure blood, process it and send it to the destination in the quantity needed. It fulfills the need of blood supply to human body in normal course and also in crisis. The MIS plays the role of information generation, communication, problem identification and helps in the process of decision making. MIS as an instrument for the organizational change. First one, external change. MIS has made world smaller, smarter. Worldwide recognition environment, change in the work lifestyle for better result. Creating knowledge is an asset. Internal change. MIS will change the business process. MIS key for continuous improvement process. MIS will accelerate, restructure workflow for both line and staff functions. MIS will change the old standard and set new standards. MIS focus on shared information. Information technology, IT. The use of any computer storage, networking and other physical devices, infrastructure and processes to create, process, store, secure and exchange all the form of electronic data is IT. Example, mobile phone, radio, apps, laptop, computer, etc. Characteristics of Information Technology IT. There are several characteristics of IT. First one, effective and fast communication, easy availability of data, connect geographically, helps police to arrest criminals, diffusion of e-governance on a large scale, IT-enabled services, ITES. IT-enabled services are those services that have been transformed by information and communication technology, enabling them to digitized, codified, and therefore able to understand at the distance from the core business and final customer, are also known as remote service or web-enabled services. IT-enabled services are online shopping, online banking, KPO knowledge process outsourcing, BPO business process outsourcing, LPO legal process outsourcing, call centers, logistic management, educational service, OTT means entertainment services, digital medical equipments. Indian IT companies: Tech Mahindra Limited, TCS Tata Consultancy Services Limited, HCL Technologies Limited, Infosys Technologies Limited. Latest development in the field of IT: human computer interface, information retrieval, intelligent business computing, intelligent control and automation, intelligent fault diagnosis, intelligent sensor network, knowledge discovery and data mining. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, decision support system DSS are the latest development in the field of IT. Transaction processing system TPS. Transaction processing system is a type of information processing system, software and hardware combination which support transaction processing. Transaction processing is a type of computer processing in which each individual task called a transaction is worked upon and executed as and when it comes. The response to request is immediate. In contrast to this is batch processing, in which a batch of requests are stored and then executed at all once. A transaction processing system is also used to collect, store, and retrieve and modify transactions executed by an organization. Transaction processing system. In transaction processing, user or customer interaction is required, unlike batch processing. Characteristics of transaction processing system: predictability, reliability, consistency. Transaction processing systems are helpful in many areas are system runtime functions, an execution environment with high response time, reliability of execution and security of data. Second, system administration functions, administrative support required for managing transactions. Third, application development functions, customization support to design and manage the user interface, like ATM is the example of TPS transaction processing system. Impact of IT on organization. The impact of information technology will have significant effect on the structure, management and function of most organizations. Computer-based information and decision support system influence choices in design of production or service activities. Hierarchical structure and organizations of support staff. Information technology may influence the centralization or decentralization of decision making and control system. New technology has resulted in a flatter organizational structure with fewer levels of management required. For more videos like this, please subscribe Study with Harshit. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more complete revision videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.